Qingdao Haylite Machinery, 40 kilometers away from Qingdao City and 15 kilometers away from Qingdao International Airport, is located in Qingdao Jimo City, Shandong Province. Qingdao Railway Station and Qingdao Port can be reached directly from the company with transport facilities. Our company has own factory and import and export authority. We have high manufacturing capacity. Our factory set up in 2000 and is located in Qingdao Environmental Protection Industry Park. Totally, we have 2 factory areas with 9 workshops. Our equipment includes die cast, welding, punching, CNC puncher, and plasma cutter. The production line, including fencing and fittings, scaffolding, workbench, tents, livestock equipment for cow, sheep, horse, and pig, traffic facilities accessories, farm equipment and spare parts, farm trailers and boat trailers. All of them are exported to Australia, USA, and Europe. With quality and competitive price, our customers accept them very well. We prefer to do customer-made and develop different products for customers with drawings and samples. Welcome you to send an inquiry. Put quality first and treat customers' supremacy is the aim of the company. We will provide good products and services sincerely to all clients. General Manager Mr. Teng Jianjiang warmly welcomes all friends to visit us. Cooperate with us on basis of mutual and equitable benefit. Found close relations to develop with us and create bright future together.